Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Vrat Ki Khichdi made with Samak Ke Chawal or barnyard millet. I am going to share two versions of this khichdi, one which is dry and can be eaten as a breakfast menu as well, while the other which is a softer version, it serves best as a single pot meal. Both can be eaten during fast or vrat and share the same ingredients. So let us get started and let us take a look at what the ingredients are. Barnyard millet grains or Samak Ke Chawal, half a cup. Oil or you can use clarified butter or ghee, 3 teaspoons. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. 2 green chilies cut into small pieces. 1 potato peeled and cut into small cubes. Sugar, half a teaspoon. Salt by taste. Red chili powder according to your taste. And roasted peanut powder, 1/4 of a cup. So first the dry version of this khichdi. Transfer all the Samak Ke Chawal to a pan and we are going to dry roast them. And simultaneously I am also heating 3/4 cup of water in another pot. And when the grains become slightly brownish in color, add the boiling hot water. Just turn it around a little and then turn off the gas. Now cover it and let it stay for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you will see that most of the water has been used up. The grains have puffed up a little. They are softer than before but are not completely cooked yet. So let us keep this aside for some time and prepare the seasoning. Heat oil or ghee in a pan and add cumin seeds. Once they have sizzled, add the green chilies. Turn them around just a little and then add the potato cubes. Stir fry them for just a couple of minutes and then cover them and allow to cook on a medium flame. You will have to turn them around a few times in between. And when they are nicely done, perfectly soft on the inside as well, then you can add all the soaking millet grains. Mix everything together and then add the peanut powder, red chili powder, sugar and salt according to your taste. Now mix everything together and now I am going to sprinkle about 2 to 3 scoops of water on all the grains. Now keep the gas on low, cover it and allow it to cook for at least 10 more minutes. Turn it around a couple of times in between. We have to make sure that all the grains are perfectly soft and completely cooked. After 10 minutes of slow cooking in this way, now you will see that all the grains have become soft and these are all perfectly cooked. So our dry version of this Samak Ki Khichdi is now ready. And you can serve this with many different accompaniments like sweet lime pickle, peanut kadhi, potato or tapioca papad or even plain buttermilk. And now the softer version of the khichdi needs exactly the same ingredients as before. But this time to begin with, we are not going to dry roast the millet grains, but instead I have washed them a couple of times in water and removed all the water. So here I have the washed millet grains. We are going to keep them aside for some time. Now heat the oil in a pot. You can also use ghee instead of oil. Once it is hot, add the cumin seeds. When they start sizzling, add the green chilies and also the potato cubes. Stir fry the potatoes just for 2 or 3 minutes. When they appear slightly golden along the edges, add all the washed millet grains. Now stir fry the grains for 2 more minutes and then add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Then add salt, little red chili powder. Mix it well and then wait till it starts boiling. Continue to boil till the water is almost at the level of the grains and then add the peanut powder. Mix it nicely again, reduce the gas to low Cover it and allow it to cook for another minute or two. This millet gets cooked really quick, especially with so much of water in it. That's why keep the gas on low and then continue to cook, keeping in mind that we have to keep the consistency soft and runny. So after about 2 minutes of cooking in this way, you can see that the grains are perfectly soft and the khichdi is cooked. We have the desired consistency that we wanted, soft and runny. So I am going to turn off the gas. So this soft delicious version of khichdi is now ready to serve. This can also be served with some sweet lemon pickle and buttermilk. So thank you friends for watching. I hope you enjoy both these versions of Samak Ki Khichdi. Do try making them at home and post any questions or comments. Thanks again for watching Uma's Kitchen.